Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So in the Euro dollar, like I've been talking about for what seems like months and months now, I definitely still think this is a wave A. I think this is three waves down for an A, B, C, or B, and I think we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C right now, which I believe this wave C is likely going to be an expanding flat wave C, probably bringing us up above these previous highs. Now this is the monthly, so that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, first of all, I think this wave 5 right here is the one. I think this is an expanding flat wave 2. That makes this right here a wave 1 of wave 3. This is a WXY wave 2 of wave 3, and I still believe that we are in that wave 3 right now, and this should continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, all part of this big wave 3 of that expanding flat wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I definitely am looking for longs. My most recent starter level is way down here, so even if it does start a pullback, I definitely will be looking for longs, especially based on the weekly, monthly time frame analysis, which is a wave 3. So we have a lot of upside potential, and the trend is dear friend, so I will be looking for pullback entries still on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Definitely a very, very nice and positive move to the upside. We do have some resistance coming up. Right here is the 100% and 105% Fibonacci extension. Right around the 1.105 and the 1.107 area. Definitely could be an area of resistance. Maybe that will be where the market decides to make another decent pullback. But for me, pullbacks are nothing to fear, and I definitely am not shorting it. But instead, just like the last pullback, I'm going to be waiting for the pullback to complete so I can go long again for the continuation of this big uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, there's no retracement, so there's no point in putting a Fibonacci retracement on there. Once the market does start to pull back, we can throw a Fibonacci retracement on there, but it hasn't even done that yet. We do have an area of resistance coming up right around the 1.1059 area. I would expect it to very likely hit that. Maybe it's going to make a little bit of a pullback first and then go up, hit that fib level, and go down. Either way, for me personally, I am a trend trader and I only do trade in one direction. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be patiently waiting for three-way pullbacks to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. I've been talking about this wave 3 trend for a very, very long time now. And if you've been like me and you've been following along by going long every single chance you get for the past several weeks, then you've probably been doing very, very well in your trading. So for me personally, I'm definitely looking for longs. I'm looking to go long on pullbacks. And I would like to see a nice little fib bounce, a nice little pullback in order to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.